Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you a app. It's called Litmatch Make New Friends. Okay, so this is really amazing app, social networking. You can see the size of the app, only 67 megabyte, and rating of the app 4.2 out of 5 and 851k reviews. Okay, and here I can see 100 million plus people already download this app. So this is really amazing. If you check on the screenshot, then you can see Litmatch, solve game and voice game. So meet new friends in one click, so you'll get friend here. Now 7 minutes limited call, so this is not free at all, so you'll get some things. And share your moment, you can share your moment like other social media. And 3 minutes limited chat. So a super cool avatar, so there is a super cool avatar, it's free, and some are premium. And if you want to check about this app, then go here, and you can see join the community and go fun with cool generation. Litmatch is all about meeting new friends and beyond. Litmatch is safe and warm community to share your honest thoughts and feelings. So there are something like meet new friends in one click, feel comfortable to share all your emotion. Litmus community, soul game, here is a goal, game is available, voice game, party chat, feed, explore, lives around the world, avatar, creativity and identity. And the app is released I can see 2019. Okay, and if you want to see the ratings and reviews, what actual people think, then go here and tap on the 5-star rating. Then you will see here a lot of people, they give the 5-star ratings. And if you want to see the negative reviews, then tap here one click. And the good thing is they replied all the negative reviews. If you face any problem, you should let them know. Maybe they will fix it and they will consider on your commitment. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.